Oh, sorry, I was getting all excited here. I was getting a little too involved with Horwin's Semanti X electric motorcycle. Now, this is just a concept, but it's a fantastic way to show some of the innovation that this company is putting into next generation motorcycles. First of all, 0 to 60 in 4 seconds, 125 miles per hour, 200-mile range. I mean, those things are almost table stakes, but what they've done is they've taken all the various parts and made a single platform, put the motor and the battery and the cooling system in one spot so you don't have them spread out. Fewer wires. There's no plastic. Aluminum body. This is, I mean, it feels pretty cool. I kind of feel like maybe I'm Batman. You know, if I could drive off, you know, well, I don't know if I can do the 0 to 60 in 4 seconds. That might really give me whiplash. But this is a pretty cool, sick-looking EV motorcycle. Oh, and by the way, yes, you can charge at the same place people charge their EV cars. So, Horwin, Semanti X, cool stuff. I gotta tell you, I'm loving CES.